Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today I am going to show you how to make a very festive fall essential oil blend for your diffuser. Now, if you follow my channel, you probably have seen different ways that I've used essential oils. And during this journey, you have also seen me use different types of essential oils for different projects. So this is for people who want to scent their homes using something called a diffuser. So I brought out my diffuser here and I brought two scents. I have cinnamon and I have orange. So let's get started. First, read your directions on your diffuser as always and be very mindful of the operating directions. So first I use some water. I fill my diffuser as much water as I need. There's a line typically in most diffusers that you pay attention to because you don't want the water to get into the mechanism. Okay, so anyway, fill that up, and I'm using orange and, like I said, cinnamon. So I am going to use half and half. Depending on the size of your diffuser, you're going to use your oils as much as needed for the size. So this is pretty large. So for this, I am going to use 5 drops of orange, 5 drops of cinnamon. I don't have this filled all the way to the top. So 5 drops. That's my orange. Here's my cinnamon. If you have trouble getting your drops out, it's best to give it a little tap, or sometimes they recommend turning it. Okay, so okay, my cinnamon is a little sticky there. So I put them in, close it up. All right, hit that button. There you go. And soon your house will have the wonderful, there it goes, wow, it's really coming out there. So pretty soon your home will have this wonderful scent of orange and cinnamon, which are considered which are scents that you will enjoy, hopefully, if you enjoy these scents. So anyway, that's a quick one, just a quick diffuser blend. If you do not like the ratio of half and half, you can fool around with it. You could put less orange, more cinnamon, or the reverse. And depending on the size of your diffuser, I always say start small. Because if you put too much in, then you will have to pour the water out. And once you pour the water out, you're pouring in, and you gotta figure it out, and it becomes messy. So I'll say just start small, 3 drops to 3 drops, or whichever ratio you want. And once you let it run for a while, and if you do like the scent, keep it. And if you want to modify it, like I said, fool with that on your own, but don't put too much, because sometimes if you put too much, the scent becomes overwhelming, and essential oils are not cheap and you do not want to waste. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this in your inbox, I would like you to hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment. If you have your own type of scents that you use during the fall, put those down below. Let's share. Okay, so until next time.